Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to do a practical typing of words. Students, this is the keyboard and this is the computer screen. We are going to type some words. This is the caps lock key. We use caps lock key when we have to type capital letters. First letter of any name should be capital, so I press the caps lock key. Of the caps lock key when you have to type small letters. We use caps lock key to write capital or small letters. First letter of any name should be capital. For capital writing, I will press caps lock key and then I will off the caps lock key to write small letters. Ahmad. A is capital. Now I will type another name. For first letter capital, I will press caps lock key and then I will off the caps lock and write small letters of the name. Now I will type another name. First letter should be capital, so I will press caps lock and then caps lock off and I will write small letters. This is the way to write words. Do practice. Allah Hafiz.